Alrighty, we're going to pull up here to a job site that the guys are working on, installing some holiday lighting for these folks, and we'll see how they're making out this morning. How'd you make out your first stop?
Good.
Good? All done?
Yes, all done.
Okay, so we're going to take that off, put the garland on. You seen anybody here?
No.
Okay. She wanted to add extra pizzazz. You know what? Oh, we did the roof too. I'm thinking what else we could do here, Nort. You have any garland with you?
Yes, down.
One on each side of the fence out here? Well, that's the gate. You'd have to do it in the gate piece if you open it, right? But what if we do a piece of garland with the multi? You know, here to here, swag it.
Okay.
Tie it in, right? And you have to do the electrical somehow, you know, so they can still open the gate.
Okay.
You know, nobody likes to have a gate where it's a wire there, right? And how about over on this side? Do the same thing? We'll do the same thing here. Swag it. Yeah, this one would be easier because the gate swings in this way with the wire. But make it so you know you can open the gate.
Okay.
We'll do that. Let's do that. What color did you have in your garland? Oh, there's your wife. How you doing, wife?
Good. How are you?
Everything good?
Yes.
You making these? You keeping a track on these guys?
I like it.
Yeah, trying. Well, yeah, it's a big job, isn't it?
Candy canes.
Is that what it had in there before?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. What color you want to do? Keep it all candy? You want to change the color?
Maybe.
You got candy cane on all three, right?
Yes.
So we could have left the white there and then the red in the candy, or leave what you got and you got red, then the white, and then what about on the two little pieces? Do them both in red. Candy cane,
Candy cane.
swag red, white, and the red like you got it. That'll look pretty.
Yeah, I don't have more reds.
Don't have no more reds?
No. Maybe I put one more candy. I have two extra candies and.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I put.
And then on the fence you do multis?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do that.
Okay.
That'll look good.
Okay.
I think that'll look really good. It's a beautiful day for a winter day. You gotta be working. Better be working in some nice weather. That's for sure. Let's go take a look. It looks like they just about got this maple all done. Candy cane, that's gonna be really pretty tonight on, all turned on and running. Gonna look sharp. Gonna look sharp. Felix, how you doing, bud? Get your lights over at the shop.
Yeah.
Got all green in here.
Red, blue, and
This is red.
yeah, that's also no.
Okay. And you doing anything over here by the fence or no?
No.
Just these two?
Yeah.
Is that all Miss Debbie wanted?
Yeah, and one to candy cane.
Saw the candy cane in the front. Okay. Because a lot of times we used to run some multicolor back here.
No, so that's only for this week.
Okay, you got them done. Okay. You got multi on here. Okay, that'll look good, won't it? Claudia, how you doing? I saw you driving the truck this morning. Felix said you need to go driver's ed school with your son. He said, look at that crazy woman driving, popping wheelies across the parking lot. Everybody was scattering, hiding. How you doing, Miss Claudia? You doing? Yeah, it looks good, Felix. I'm gonna keep running. You don't need anything else. You good?
No,
You don't need any other. Do you need any candy cane for the garland job?
no.
You got them already in the
I
truck?
have one case. I got one case there.
Okay, you took a case?
Yeah, I have one
Okay.
case. I need for sure the rest is for
Okay, so you're good.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. If I don't see you this afternoon, I will see you on Monday.
Yeah.
Okay. Looking good. Looking good, sir. Alrighty. We're down here at Richie Pettibone's home in Annapolis, Richie and Michelle, and we are going to take a look. Guys are working on a big shrub on the beach that we light up every year with multi. So we're going to take a peek and see how the guys are doing with that. Looks like they've cut out some of the old multi now, and we're going to restring all that That's some old stringer material and lamps. And the squirrels are eating up. Beautiful day out here on the water. Water's really smooth this morning. Wilder, how you doing, bud? Everything good? So you got a lot of the old stuff cut out, huh? How you making out?
Good.
No problem?
No. I put the port, the line straight. After that, I'm try mark X.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
gotcha. That should work out well.
You see the old one?
Yeah, that's what I was just saying. You got a lot of that out.
Yeah.
Squirrels had eaten a lot of it up, hadn't they? I don't know why they like that wire so much.
I think he see the light on the night and he thinking it's something to eat.
You think?
I think it's that idea. Maybe he eat more the red one.
You never know what they think.
Yeah.
You had one more over here, or is this your last one?
No, I think I'll put one more.
Over here?
I'll put one more in here.
Yeah.
Another 3. After that, I'll put maybe another one on the middle.
So you got one more over here,
Uh-huh.
and then how many you coming this way with?
I think after that, maybe I'll put only one on the middle. Or 2 think at 2.
Well, maybe lift this one up so it comes down here. You can just lift it. If you wanted to come right down through here.
Yes.
Another one here, just like what you said.
Yeah.
And then what about over here? One more?
Yeah, but right now I make one in here, cross straight to there. After
Okay.
that, I think I put more in the middle.
Yeah. So you got 1, 2, 3, then the one on side 4.
Yeah.
Okay. You're getting there. You are getting there, sir. That'll look sharp. Leave this run tonight, okay? Then we'll see what it looks like later tonight, okay? Alrighty. This job is progressing well. We are off to another job site to see how the guys are making out. If they need any products or help or advice, make decisions, and or if any clients have any special requests that didn't get recorded at the time of the rehang on the phone, any special requests or anything that we might have forgotten about, we'll make sure we get all that. Anyway, we are off to another project, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.